Hello everyone and welcome back to Migi Drawing Academy.
Today we're gonna make a cute bird. So let's start. The first step is from the center you want to make two big eyes, go up and down. But do not complete the shape. Instead, add an extra line crossing the circle. Make them thicker. Then two small circles in the eyes. The center you make the peak. Now let's move on to the head. Start at the same level of the peak, going up in a circular shape, then going down at the same level. Try to keep it rounded. Now let's make the body. Going down, then up. And for each side, we can make the wings. You can finish them with 3 feathers. Now let's go to the feet. The chest. Now let's do a branch going across the feet. So the bird is in the tree, and you can add some leaves. You can add like a pair of hearts.
And that's it, we're done! If you enjoyed the video, subscribe and remember, new draw lessons every Tuesday and Saturday. See you!